Have you ever seen people trying to find a plot corner by saying, I think it's somewhere here? Well, that's why exactly why professional surveying exists. Today, our survey engineer Karthik visited a site near Partur carry out a complete topographical survey, boundary verification, and marking for 30-40 site. Using of professional survey equipment, every level, every boundary, every point, and every corner was measured with precise precisions. No guessing, no confusion, just accurate data. The funniest part, while everyone was still discussing where the actual boundary might be, Karthik had already completed the survey and finished the site marking. At SCON Design India Private Limited, we believe accuracy save the time, money and future dispute. Whether you are planning to construct, buying a plot or verifying your property boundary, don't leave it. It go works. It's go work out. Get your survey done by experts. SCON Design India Private Limited. Precision is every point, confidence in every project. Contact us today.